Welcome back to another Career Corner. My name's Susanna Creed. I'm your host. Let's get started. Communication's a funny thing. This video is seems to float your boat in the snack development. What can seem so clear to us can sound like gibberish to somebody else. In the workplace in particular, communication becomes even trickier when strong emotions come up, particularly if they are affecting our ability to think clearly. By pausing and using a few quick techniques, you can remain calm and composed no matter how crazy the outside world and those in it may appear to be. The first technique that we'll talk about today is called STAR, which stands for stop and smile, take a breath, and relax. That last part, and relax, is really important. A lot of us don't realize how connected our mind and our body are. So sometimes, even when our mind is racing, we can actually calm that down by focusing on the body instead. So by imagining when you are taking a breath in and then when you exhale, you're letting all of the tension out of your body. When we pause and do that, it's amazing how that can sometimes clear up what's going on in our heads. This next exercise is a breathing exercise. So it's something we do all the time, day in and day out. What makes this different? Well, what makes this one different is what we say to ourselves while we're breathing in and breathing out. So for this exercise, on the inhale, what we'll say to ourselves is, "No one can make me angry." And on the exhale, you say to yourself, "Without my permission." Let's practice that one together. So we're going to inhale and say to ourselves, "No one can make me angry." You're going to hold that inhale just for a beat at the top, and then you're going to exhale and say, "Without my permission." You can choose to say this in your head or out loud. So I will be saying it out loud for this exercise. So close your eyes. We're going to breathe in. No one can make me angry. Pause. And then exhale and say to yourself, "Without my permission." That felt so good. Let's try it one more time. So inhale. No one can make me angry. Pause. Exhale, "Without my permission." Easy as that. I feel really good right now, so I hope you do too. So remember, this is all about control and choice. So we can allow what others do to affect us, or we can simply let it wash over us like an inhale and exhale. This is how you get back into control, even when your emotions make it feel like everything is out of your control. So next time you find yourself getting irritated or upset, pause and try one of these techniques and see how that affects your ability to remain calm and composed no matter what's going on in the situation. But if a conflict comes up in the workplace, you know how to use these, you've practiced them before, and you can put your best foot forward and have the best outcome no matter what. And as always, don't forget to check out the feedback survey, our highlight reel, and also links to resources in our Career Crash Course Google Drive, which are all going to be listed down in the description box below. And don't forget about the CI Family Reunion virtual summer camp that's going on all throughout this month. We'll have live streams, we'll have videos about hot topics, we'll have videos including family cooking and different recipes. You can also win prizes, so make sure to not miss any one of those announcements or videos by subscribing to the UA Little Rock Children International YouTube channel at the end of this video. And because who doesn't need a good laugh these days, check out this next video, which shows you a little bit more about how wrong communication can go in a really hysterical way. All these amazing Union virtual summer camp. First generation. I've lost my mind.